Oh, it's got the horn as well. Oh, my God. Beauty. Powerful beauty. Look at this beauty. 7840. Look at this work. Sometimes I call it a piece of art by Jordan Changuk, a fully refurbished tractor. Take a look. Look at this smooth of bonnet. So smooth, and look at the color. All fully painted front axle, engine, transmission and back end, and customize the rear weights. Jordan Changuk. It's got 2 weights on each side, so 4 in total. Look at this at the back. This tractor has been dismantled everything, from starting from the front axle, engine, gearbox and the back end. We examine each part. If a specific part is worn out or broken or got a niche, a chip in there, we replace it with a new one. And we put it back together and we test the tractor, especially the engine itself. Oh, this one has 6 cylinders. We take a look, we overhaul each cylinder, and we have run in for 3 days to ensure the engine is fully intact and it has the power of Powerstar engine 7840. Got 6 cylinders. And if you don't know about the 440 series, the 7840 has 6 cylinders, like I said. And if you look at the engine block, take a look. It has the Powerstar engine block. It's got a unique style. It's got like a, you see, it's like a wave, like that. It's a bit different from the other 4 tractors like 1000 series or 10 series, but for 40 series it has Powerstar engine. The engine block, it looks like that. And and this one, the front axle, it's got Carol axle. You look at this, it's quite big compared to other front axle. It's coming out from the rim, and it has 5 bolts. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Of course, this rim is new, the tire is new, including the back, the rear. This also new. Of course, the rear wheel is on the right hand side. If you open this, it's got air filter here, but we also have an additional oil filter. The air goes in here and it's got oil here. It collects the dust before the dust goes in here, this air filter, before going to the engine. So in effect, it's double air filter. It's very common in Thailand that we put this on the side of the engine, so it's double air, double dust protection, if you like. And it has 6 cylinders, about 105 horsepower. You see, it's the Ford here. See the mark. And you may be wondering what this is. This is air conditioning. So we have taken a look at the front axle and the engine. Let's go inside of this fully refurbished tractor. Of course, the cabin must be fully refurbished as well. And look at this instrument. It's brand new. So sometimes people ask me for the number of hours, how many hours has it got? Because it's fully refurbished tractor, the hours is not relevant, and this one is brand new. And this 7840 has 12x12 transmission. You drive, make a forward for 12 gears, you can change 12 gears, and reverse 12 gears. And you see, look at inside. Oh, I check this out. New seat as well. It's got air conditioning here. Look at this leather on this side. Look at this. The flooring. Look at that. Very delicate work from Jordan Chang Group. And because you see the fit, this may look a bit dark, right? Because we put a film on it. You see how bright this is in Thailand. It's very hot. So we put the films on all sides to prevent the sun get into the cabin. So it can cool a little bit faster. And this is the aircon. Brand new aircon. See at the back, you see you got the film as well. There. And of course CDG Jordan Chang Group. Got rear lights. These are new fitted rear lights, and this is for the plow as well. Oh, forgot to mention something. Even the front weights, we put a new paint on. So our customer wants to just have a tractor with his weight, and he will use his tractor to drag or plow something because he already got the equipment from the back. But I think we have to listen to the engine, how this fully refurbished tractor 7840 sounds. I think we need to take a look, but before we take a look, I think we go around again. See, look at this finest work Ford 7840, and this side, and we even put a new sticker on. You can put Ford or New Holland, it's the same thing. You see? Oh, even we have to even recondition this as well. See? The stairs. We put our effort into every detail for our customers. I think this one is a beauty with the carbon on. I think it's time to take a look how powerful this 7840 is. Come on, let's go. Come on, 7840. Listen to the engine sound. Of course, the electrical wire, the lightings must be fully functional. Here we go. This is the front bits, and we take a look at the back. It's very bright right now. You probably cannot see it now. I can see it on this side and this side, and of course at the top of the cabin. Let's see. Oh, it's got the horn as well. Oh my God! 7840 Power Star, fully reconditioned tractor by us, Jordan Chang Group. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, look at this beauty, powerful beauty. Six cylinders, Power Star engine, 7840 with SL transmission or 12x12 gearbox. Delicate work with this beautiful tractor 7840 Shaw Dan Chang Group or CDG. How's our fully refurbished tractor 7840? Starting from the front axle, engine, transmission, rear and the cabin. Of course, the bodywork must be beautiful on the inside as well as on the outside. 7840. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and put the notification bell if you do not want to miss our new videos by Shaw Dan Chang Group CDG.